Hey everyone! Just imagine if you could make money online up to $100 a month using a single free AI tool, without any special skills. Sounds unbelievable? Well, in 2025, it's totally possible. In this video, I'll show you step by step exactly how you can set up your own earning system using one free AI website. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll show you the complete process along with real earning examples. The AI world is exploding with new tools every single day. Most people just use them for fun or to save time. But smart people? They use AI to make money. And if you want to start earning from AI in 2025, this video is your full blueprint. Alright, first things first, the tool I'm talking about is, for example, gamma.app/pika.art/opusclip/leonardo.ai. It's a 100% free AI website that automatically creates stunning presentations/videos/content/voiceovers for you. And if you want to try this tool yourself, I've added the direct link in the video description below. Just click the link and sign up for free. It's the same one I personally use. The best part? You don't need to be a designer, a writer, or a tech expert. Just type your idea and AI does the rest for you. Let me show you exactly how it works step by step. 1. Go to the website and create your free account. 2. Choose what you want to make, for example, a presentation, video script, or design. 3. Enter your idea, like 5 tips to grow your YouTube channel. 4. Click generate and boom. AI creates a full project in seconds. Now here's the best part, you can sell this kind of AI-generated work on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even to small businesses on Instagram and LinkedIn. Let's talk about the money part. How can you actually earn from this? Option 1. Freelancing platforms. Go to Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Create a gig like, I will create an AI-generated business presentation. People are charging $10 to $50 per project for this kind of work. Even if you complete just one project per day, that's $300 to $1,000 a month. So, if you can handle one simple client project daily, you can easily make $100, $200 per week. Option 2. YouTube automation. You can also build faceless YouTube channels using AI tools. Use ChatGPT for the script, Pictory or OpusClip for videos, and 11 Labs for voiceovers. AI does almost everything. You just upload the content and grow your channel. Then earn from YouTube ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Option 3. Digital products. Another great method is to create digital products using AI. Like ebooks, templates, presentation decks, or voice packs, then sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. Once uploaded, they gen. Let's do a simple math example. On screen, calculation. *1 AI presentation equals $20. *5 clients per week equals $100. *4 weeks equals $400 per month. See? Even if you start small, this one tool alone can easily make you a few $100s every month without investing any money or learning hard skills. In 2025, AI-based income is one of the fastest growing online opportunities. Every business, student, and content creator is using AI right now. But most people are just using these tools, not earning from them. That's where your opportunity lies. Here are a few pro tips to help you start faster. 1. Focus on one type of work. Don't try to do everything. Start with one, like presentations or scripts. 2. Build a small portfolio. Use AI to make 2 to 3 sample projects and upload them to your Fiverr profile. 3. Use smart keywords. Add phrases like AI-generated design, AI content expert, etc. in your gig titles. 4. Promote on social media. Post short demo clips on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or LinkedIn. 5. Stay updated. New AI tools come out every week. Make content around trending ones for faster growth. Listen, AI is changing the world faster than ever before. Money now flows to people who understand and use these new tools. In the past, people had to spend months learning skills. Today, AI can help you create results in minutes. The difference is simple. Some people use AI just to save time. Others use it to make money. Which one are you going to be? So that's it, guys, a complete step-by-step guide to earning $100 per month using one free AI tool. Now it's your turn to take action. Affiliate mention. And if you want to get started right now, check the first link in the description. That's my personal affiliate link for this AI tool. It's completely free to join, and if you upgrade later, it helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Comment below which AI tool you want me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe. Because in my next video, I'll show you the top 3 AI tools for side income in 2024.